Hello guys, how are you all? Hope so you are fine. Today I have come to this nursery in order to pick some plants to celebrate World Environmental Day. Today is 5th June. Every year in this day, in 5th June, we do celebrate World Environmental Day. So today I have come to this nursery to pick some plants. I'll show you. I picked 2 plants. I have come to this nearby nursery. This nursery is Unique Nursery in Rampur. So I have chosen a plant. I will show you that. This flower plant. I don't know the name. I will be taking 2 of these. So let's go home and plant it. I came along with Mohibur. Here he is. He's my cousin. Say hi.
Hi.
So we'll be taking the plants, and he will be taking aloe vera. I will be taking this. In order to plant, we need very good soil and dry soil, but it rained very heavily today, so we don't have any dry soil. So mom said that in backyard we may be having some dry soil, so I came in charge of that. Let's see what I find. Maybe half dried soil I'll get, so let's see.